I only have 306 days left. And no, hindi ako mamamatay. But yes, I only have 306 days on my life. That is before I turn 21 this coming February 11, 2026. And from my 20 years of living on this earth, I cannot count the days where I told myself na sana pala ginawa ko to, di sana ganito na ako ngayon. I have made so many wrong decisions that I will forever regret. And yes, maraming what ifs and maraming sana pala. And I know marami sa inyo have been going through the same thing. And it is about time para simulan na. Para sa susunod, ang sasabihin mo na ay buti ginawa ko yon at nandito na ako ngayon. Kasi kung sasabihin mo na masyado pang maaga or masyado nang late, edi kailan pa? I am talking about growth in every aspect of life. Sa Tagalog, paglago. At para magawa yon and para ma-accomplish natin to, I have set up a simple list of things to do every single day. Pray, bond, workout, craft, and study. At baka ngayon ay nagtataka ka kung bakit napakasimple naman ng list ko. And maybe, just maybe that's the point. Kung babalikan mo ba yung mga nakaraang araw mo, kaya mo bang sabihin na nakumpleto mo to sa buong ilang taon mo? Marami sa atin tend to forget about these little things. Yet they are the most important. Kasi yung mga bagay naman, it doesn't have to be complicated. It's about consistency. Ano ba yung purpose ng list natin? Getting right with God, spending quality time with your loved ones, taking good care of yourself, doing something creative, and learning. Welcome sa aking journey to 21. Kung gusto mong sumabay at sumama, follow nyo lang ako. Tara, let's grow together. Sama-sama tayong lumago. I can't promise that I will be perfect, but I will do my best to keep you in touch. That's it. May God bless you all with love, joy, and peace.